If you've ever wanted to make passive income online, selling digital downloads on Etsy is one of the simplest ways to get started. Unlike physical products, there's no inventory, shipping, and there's just minimal ongoing costs. You create a digital file once and can sell it repeatedly, making it such a great long-term income stream. Etsy is such a great place to sell digital products because it brings buyers straight to you. Since people are already searching for digital downloads on Etsy, you don't need to be a marketing pro or have a big social media following to start making sales. It's such an easy way to get your products in front of the right audience without spending a ton of time on promotion. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to get started selling digital downloads on Etsy as a beginner. You'll learn what types of digital products sell best on Etsy, how to create digital products using Canva, how to list and optimize your Etsy store for sales, and how to list and optimize your Etsy store for sales. Let's get into it. So step one, you need to choose a profitable digital product. Not all digital downloads perform well on Etsy, so it's important to pick a niche that has high demand. Here are some of the best-selling digital products on Etsy right now. First off, planners and productivity templates, daily planners, goal trackers, meal planning sheets, printables and wall art, motivational quotes, aesthetic posters, nursery prints. There's also business and marketing templates, so social media templates, Canva presets, and brand kits. There's also ebooks and guides, so budgeting worksheets, fitness guides, self-care journals. There's also resume and cover letter templates, so professionally designed resumes and job application kits. The trick is to create something that solves a problem or makes life easier for your customers. Once you've chosen a product, the next step is to create it using Canva, which brings me into step two, creating your digital product using Canva. You don't need to be a graphic designer to make a high quality digital download. Design tools make it super easy to create professional looking products, even if you're a total beginner. Here's what I recommend and why. So Canva Pro is perfect for creating planners, printables, social media templates, and ready to use templates, making it really easy to design polished products without starting from scratch. The Pro version also gives you access to premium fonts, graphics, and the ability to resize designs quickly. Another great option is Kittl AI, which is great for generating AI art and design elements. If you want to sell aesthetic wall art, logos, or unique graphics, Kittl helps you create high quality visuals without needing advanced design skills. Another AI tool that I love and I will show you how to use is ChatGPT. It's just super useful for writing product descriptions, ebooks, guides, and even social media captions. So instead of spending hours figuring out what to say, you can use AI to generate well-written content that helps sell your products. So let's go ahead and use ChatGPT, and I left the link in the description if you want to check it out. You help me create a journal that will sell. So here they've given us some ideas, and again, we want to be niche, so we'll kind of choose one that obviously something we're excited about and want to be able to market, but also what's going to sell. So ChatGPT says we've got a cycle syncing journey, which can be really cool. We've got mind-body connection journal, body freedom journal, or maybe a siren energy manifestation journal. So what should be included in the journal? And it breaks down everything for you. Instead of starting with a blank slate, you can get some ideas generating with ChatGPT. And again, you can customize it to whatever you like. So let's do a cycle syncing journal. Let's create a cycle syncing journal. Each page will be one day. Let's create an example day. Just gold. This is perfect. Now let's go ahead and go to Canva. And like I mentioned, they do have a couple of different options. So I've left the link in the description below, but you can get started for free. I will say I am currently on the Pro plan, so that's what I'm going to be walking you through, but they do have Canva Teams and Canva Enterprise, and the free plan though is perfect just to get you started. And then if you need to upgrade later on, I'd recommend the Canva Pro, and that's just $120 for 1 year for one person. With Canva Pro, you also get access to brand kits, so you can save all of your colors and all of your fonts to make everything cohesive, which I love. These other plans are great for if you have a team, and as you can see, these other plans do have some other benefits, and with the other plans, there are some extra key features, but again, the Pro plan I think is perfect just to get you started. Okay, let's go ahead and create a journal. I'm just gonna search journal. Let's go ahead and click customize template. Since ChatGPT gave us everything that we need to know, we'll go ahead and come on here and customize everything. So we've got cycle day, and then we can go ahead and add them to circle one of these. Okay, and obviously this is not perfect, but this this is how you can customize it completely. We can also change the fonts to be whatever we would like. And like I said, with the brands, which is really cool, is you can change the colors to go directly with your brands, which I absolutely love. And then you can add your logo. Again, we can customize everything in Canva super, super easily, especially because they have templates that you can use. But again, I will say with the free plan, you don't have as many templates to go from. So just want to make sure that you are aware of that. But yeah, ChatGPT and Canva, there is nothing like that combination. So I highly recommend checking them both out. And then what you would do is just once this is complete, go ahead and share it and we can download, and you can download as a PNG. What we'll want to do is save it as a PDF so buyers can print or use it digitally. All we would have to do is change this to PDF and download. Now, step number 3 is to list your digital products on Etsy. If you're not already signed up with Etsy, I've left that link in the description too. And so what you'll do is go ahead and again, click that link in the description. You'll be brought to this page. Let's go ahead and click sign in, and then we'll have to click register. So you want to type in your email address, your first name, and a password, and go ahead and click register. Now, once you are all signed in, we'll go ahead and go to the shop section, and we will choose the language, the country, the currency, and then we'll go to and name your shop, whatever you would like. And then we will stock our shop. So let's say journal, digital files. I made it. It is a finished product. Made it 2020 to 2025. Created by me. Go ahead and save and continue. Cycle, syncing, journal. You can add photos here. You can adjust the thumbnail, and then this is the digital file. So we'll upload that, and you can add a description. Maybe this is $2.99, and then quantity 1. And we'll go ahead and click save and continue. And then you will just finish. Then all you'll have to do is finish how you'll get paid, share your billing details, and you are good to go. Step number 4 is to market your Etsy shop and get sales. So Etsy already brings in organic traffic, but if you want to stand out and make consistent sales, it's really important to actively market your shop. Relying solely on Etsy's search can be limiting, especially with so many sellers on the platform. By driving your own traffic, you can get more eyes on your products, attract repeat customers, and even build a brand beyond Etsy. The good news is you don't need to spend money on ads to do it. Just a few simple strategies can make a huge difference. So here's how you can boost your sales for free. First off, use Pinterest to drive free traffic. Create pinnable images linking to your Etsy store. You also can join Pinterest group boards in your niche. You also can promote on TikTok and Instagram. You can post short videos showcasing your printables. What I have seen work is to create a brand around how you would actually use it. So show people that you're actually using your journal every single day. People want to see that it's actually useful. And so you being able to show your lifestyle is so, so helpful. You also can offer a freebie to build an email list. I highly recommend using ActiveCampaign. And if you want to check them out, I've left that link in the description below. You can also give away a mini version of your product in exchange for an email, and even send exclusive discounts to your email subscribers for future products. By using these free marketing strategies, you can increase your visibility, bring in more customers, and start making consistent sales even without ads. Selling digital downloads on Etsy is one of the easiest ways to earn passive income, and with tools like Canva and ChatGPT, you can start today with no upfront costs. When I was first looking into digital products, I had no idea how simple it could actually be. I used to think you needed crazy design skills or a huge audience, but the truth is it's all about just getting started. Your first product doesn't have to be perfect, and honestly, it probably won't be, and that's totally fine. What matters is that you take that first step, put something out there, and figure things out as you go. The more you experiment, the better you'll get, and before you know it, you'll have a shop full of products people are dying to buy. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and drop any comments or questions below. I'd absolutely love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.